All right. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. What's up, traders? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm fucking pissed, bro. Yesterday we got stopped out on some bullshit and price ran in our direction like motherfucker, bro. So let's go ahead and pull this motherfucker up real quick. Yeah. Let's refresh the news. Let's see. I wonder if my camera will lag. I'm really hoping that it won't. But let's just find out, bro. We're gonna leave me down here for a moment. News today. We got FOMC orange folder news. Indico, go to your bed. You need to get down. Go to your bed. This little hound dog. Just a little hound. You just a little hound. Alright, bro. So, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Let's just put our motherfucking. So, at 8, within this hour, we don't have no news, okay? Within this hour. Look, bro, I'm so pissed off, dog. Look at this shit. We took this entry yesterday, right? We took entry right here. We were anticipating the sell off and we put stops above this high. We got fucking ran out just for it to melt, bro. Ugh! The pain I felt with this mother sucker right here, bro. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's all right, bro. I ain't mad at you. But I'm fucking pissed. I'll tell you what. I'm fucking angry, Holmes. All right. So, what were we looking at, right? What was we looking at? So as we jump from the daily, we're trading the 1 hour power of 3, right? We have this order block that we closed below, retraced into, and we expanded through this external range liquidity, right? So the way that I would see it is right here, okay? Now, because we ran out external range liquidity, we want to see a market structure shift bullish to anticipate a retracement for the daily time frame towards internal range liquidity, right? And so because of that, you can see this is a pretty big bullish candle coming in right now, right? But what it's tapping into this order block. Indy, get away from there. It's within this order block. So we are going to be bullish on the 1 hour until we get a market structure shift bearish. That makes sense. So we are going to be bullish on 1 hour. So this camera doesn't fucking lag, bro. This camera is not lagging at all. Nice. So it's this camera. This camera motherfucking lags on this phone right here. So that's good to know, bro. That's good to know. All right. So we're looking for the 1 hour to open, and it's going to make the bottom wick into a 5-minute PDA, right? We have this 5-minute fair value gap right here that's being created. And then a little below that, we actually have this bad boy right here, this order block, right? So what I want to see is I want to see price retrace here, and then we're going to drop to the 1 minute, and we're going to look for a market maker buy model, okay? And we're going to take entry on the market structure shift break, the candle close that confirms the market structure shift. If we don't get that motherfucker, fuck, we're not getting in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm bullish right now. I'm gonna look for a buy. What up, HC? Good morning, my gangster. How you doing, man? Oh man, HC, we're gonna look for some buys, bro. What do you think? You think buys are pretty solid right now? I think the 1 hour is in this expansion phase, right? Until the 1 hour has a market structure shift bearish, I'm going to continue to look for up close candles, bullish candles until then. Okay. Buys look good. Let's get it then, man. I like the thought of that. I like that. We're going to look for buys. We want to see the 1 hour candle open, come low, tap into this 5-minute PDA, or it can come even lower. If it comes lower, we can draw a fib from this low right here, being an intermediate term low, up to this high right here. Realistically, I want to see price come into the 50% or 618 or something. You know what I mean? Hell, it could come all the way down into this order block. That would make me pretty happy. And then we would look for the 1 minute market maker model. And we're going to take entry off the break. We're not going to wait for a retracement, bro. Because we were waiting for a retracement yesterday and we missed the fucking move, dude. We missed the move, HT. Did you see that shit, bro? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm still hurt over that shit, dude. Look at, we took our entry yesterday off of this swing where we're selling right here and we put stops above this high and we got wicked out just for price to go in our favor, like melt, bro. It's pain. That shit was horrible. But like yesterday, we had the market structure shift again right here on this candle close right here, right? And I was waiting for a retracement back up to get a sell in. Instead, I could have just sold and I would have caught that whole move, right? So we're not going to wait for a retracement because there's a possibility that the retracement won't come. And yeah, bro. If no retracement, then no entry. Fuck out of here, right? So yeah, bro. We just gonna vibe real quick. We're just gonna wait for our setup, bro. We just gotta stay patient right now. Stay patient with it. Hit an arm day today, bro. My arms feel awful right now, bro. Oh, my arms are all tired right now, dog. Yeah, man. This is where we just sit on our hands, bro. Let's put on some make money music, bro. Enter with 2 positions. Yeah, dollar cost averaging wise. One on the retracement. Yeah, that's a good like strategy, bro. Like I like dollar cost averaging. I feel like dollar cost averaging gives you that opportunity in case it happens. My only issue with dollar cost averaging, truthfully, is if the second entry never comes. Like on that one, if we would have risked 0.5% instead of 1%, we wouldn't have been able to enter our other half, if that makes sense. So I'm like, these are things that we learn in live trading. This is like live experience and like our thoughts. You know what I mean? Like, what would make more sense? You know, like dollar cost averaging, but then there's times where we'll miss out and the second position doesn't come. We're just entering the full percent risk and catching the whole move. You know what I mean? Like, it's one of those things where you kind of have to really experience. I feel like, I don't know. I don't know, bro. It's interesting. Little baby, make money music. She left my kids at home in the morning.
Waking up with buttocks? Sealy Posturepedics exclusive precision fit coils respond with targeted support right where you need it most. Shop Sealy savings during the Memorial Day sale.
You know what sucks about my mic, bro, is that it catches background noise. Kind of pisses me off. Because then it'll make the music fucking echo. I wonder if I move my mic, it'll do that. Let's see. Check. Nah, I don't think it'll do it now. Well, now they're getting fucking stabbed on my neck right here. So yeah, they just made this 5 minute higher. Tapped into that FUG. So this is the open. Tapped into the FUG. And now it's expanding. California breeze. Take it out to eat. Stop at a little party. End up at the big house. I can't fuck with Shawty. Cause she got a big mouth. Pull up in a Rari. Hop out like a big dog. Get my shit together. Feel like I done took 2 years off. Booking on my schedule. I ain't rich enough to chill out. I watch you turn sour. I still don't know. I would like to see price come down. You know what I mean? Now we can just extend our fib. 50% is a little bit more clear right here. One thing about these fair value gaps is the candle can wick into it, but based on my experience, I've seen a lot of times an actual retracement come and take out that wick right there, and that's like a turtle soup. So that's what I'm going to anticipate. I want to see price retrace, turtle soup this low right here, tap into 50 to 618, and that's whenever we're going to look for buying opportunities right there, okay? We shall chill and wait. California breeze, take it up to eat. Party, and then I can't fuck with Shawty, cause she got a big mouth. Put up in a Rari, hop out like a big dog. Get my shit together, feel like I done took 2 years off. Booking on my schedule, I ain't rich enough to chill out. I watch you turn sour, I still don't know how to feel about it. Jordy unfolded, but I'm still solid. Still solid. Nice. I'm happy that this camera is not lagging whatsoever. That's actually really pleasing. That means we're gonna catch a win. That's what that means, bro. That's what that means. It means we're gonna win today, bro. We're gonna win. That's all that means, bro. This camera isn't lagging, so we're gonna win. Damn, this bitch just expanded. Oh, I love this song. Whoa. Do girls really want girls, bro?
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on that shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42, cause you, hey, and you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, but girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls.
like eating pussy, I'm like, me too. I love that bar, bro. Like, it's such a simple ass bar, and I don't know why I've never heard it before in my life. She like eating pussy, and I'm like, me too. You know what I mean? Like, I feel that, bro. That shit's so relatable, bro. That shit's so relatable, bro. I might come, I might go.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. But I know you wanna roll with the gang, and I know you want the finest of things. Asking me about settling down, cause you know that things are going my way.
Alright, you guys. So whenever it taps into this 5-minute PDA and whatnot, you could take a conservative entry, right? You can enter on that kind of shit. Now, the reason why I would much rather prefer to jump to a 1 minute and get a more aggressive entry opportunity is because a 1.5 is like right here, right here at this negative quarter level. And so because of that, if you drop to the 1 minute and you get like a market structure shift and it makes the long-term low on the 1 minute, well, your stop loss would actually be a lot more closer, and it'd offer like a 1 to 4R versus that 1 to 1.5. See the difference? And that's what we're looking for. We want to see the 1 minute market structure shift, and we're going to get a tighter stop loss with a larger risk to reward ratio. So that's what we're waiting on right now.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chubbs to look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day.
So look, 1 minute has market structure shifted, right? But it's still within this bullish FVG. We want to see that get closed below and disrespected. See how it's holding it right now? We want to see it get closed below, disrespected. We want to see price come low. Okay? Kisses. Oh, 30 degrees. And if this is a market structure shift, we don't want to see this high get ran out. This is the long-term high, right? Obviously, we're not trading the sell, but this is just how we're going to anticipate potentially for the retracement to start to tap into our PDA for us to look for the buy.
Pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it.
No, we want to listen to a fucking little baby right now, bro. We're not in our feelings right now, mister. We're trying to get turned to make some fucking bread. We're some fucking pigeons. We want that bread, dog.
You know, let's say that's my nigga. I made him $1 million. Now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rebel, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring Evie, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be about no small shit. Overseas got a crowd doing mosh pit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman went and got me in office. $1 million deals, I get them often. $1 million was serving on sponsors. All legit, he gon' stay with the Charles. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. He bitch, she noticed my sister, my mama. Now they houses as big as they want. I didn't run out no motherfucking Thomas. Look at Lil Dama. Living like we in a race. I might come in first or second, but I will never be last. Lately, I've been in my bag. Bro told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna and take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a technical foul. City to city, got girls going wild. And I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo Solo got a squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them in the breathing room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you. I run with them straight. See all the moves I've been making. By the time I get 40, I gotta be one of them greats. Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I stoop on one time, they gon' try to come take it. Really is it getting? These niggas be faking. I don't want they vibes, so they hand ain't shaking. She on that 42 straight with no chaser. I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on BCs, you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street,
You see this big expansion, how there's literally no red handles? You just keep dragging your fib up until it begins the retracement. So now this fair value gap and order block area, you know, it's within 5% right there. The 50% fib level, you know?
Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars be, that's how I gotta be. I didn't gave her the one, now she not leaving. Said she love me to death, told her stop breathing. Try to do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I am not vegan. When you said it was smoke, nigga, stop speaking. Vince don't drop the top, I can't stop speeding. Trying to see if this bitch hit the top speed. Hit the bitch from the back, have a knock on me, baby ho. I control the rock, if the rap slow, I control the block. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple coups, I can drop the top. I done made it, nigga, all these DJs coming in, I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need them, might as well get used to me. My biggest fear is ending up where you should be. Yeah. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on BCs, you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on BCs, you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me.
I love you, my hound dog. My little baby boy. I love you.
Tender,
You're a
juicy,
good boy.
and perfectly seasoned.
You a loud boy. but
It's
you a
chicken
good boy.
made
I
for
love that
dipping.
hound.
So bye-bye bun. Hello, McCrispy strips. Now at McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
I know that I'm beneficial. I can't show no feelings. Been in windows tinted. Nowadays ain't no time for me to kick it. Business too utensil. They gon' say that I've been acting different. I'm beyond they mental. I moved on from slinging drugs and pistols. Can't be thinking simple. Tighten up my circle. Someone in the camp been leaking info. The Maybach triple black. This shit relaxing. Feel like I'm in a limo. I put through the hood to let them see. I let down all the windows. I know I'm the motivation. They see me, they see a hero. Lot of niggas rich, but it hit different when you come from zero. They know I been seized, but every day I need a different bureau. Super superstitious, that's my niggas, I still pick up pennies. You can't give attention to these bitches when your name get mentioned. If I don't kill him, he gon' be in critical condition when I'm finished with him. Some shit just can't phase you when you been that nigga. Brody died, that shit had me all sentimental. Cuz got life in jail, I pray to God they overturn this sentence. I got too much money for my mom to work a job. I know she proud now. They say to these bitches when they see me, they gon' bow down. I made real niggas win again, we back in style now. And I got that blicky for that rah-rah. I go
For that rah-rah.
soon as the car drive. My new house
I do car drive.
don't got no doorknobs. I'm in charge.
Oh, nice. It's disrespecting the motherfucker out of that motherfucker right now. Oh. Now we want to see this FBG explode that
changes for the
motherfucker.
better. That shit was painful, but I ain't let up. I left a stain in the ghetto. Been inside the mix and so legit. Got my name from the ghetto, but I'm bigger now. I can go to dinner with Corey Campbell and Miss Jenna now.
We want to see a retrace, come into this fair value gap, and then we're going to look for opportunity.
Bossed up, I don't gotta do it, but I'ma get her done. I man up and handle my problems when I can easily run. Easy come, easy go. Sell it all, get some more. We done made it to another year. I'm swapping out my cars again. Everything is the latest. Can't complain cause I made it. Who am I gonna judge? I don't never hold
gotta listen to this song. I love this song, bro. Wow, see? See? It respected this FPG right here too. Oh my gosh, bro. This is a bullish ass 1 hour candle, bro.
Ain't as bad as people describe. I've been a nice guy, people I've done right by. Fled on me, but girl, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Not surprised by nothing, I just take it in stride. On the bright side, everyone on my side, they still got their love and their pride. Hey, let's get high, let's go sci-fi. I'm trying to be out of my mind. You're working 9 to 5. What's the Wi-Fi? I'ma try and buy you sometime. I'll be a lifeline. Just get offline, leave your phone and look in my eyes. Boy, this time fly. It was just nighttime. Now the sun is about to rise and high. Don't even know how it feels. Don't even know how it feels. Don't even know how it feels to be in love with me for real. Don't even know how it feels. Can't even imagine how it feels to be in love with me for real.
I would love to just see like a big ass down close candle. Just says turtle soup this low, turtle soup this low. And give us opportunity, bro. Fuck, this 1 hour candle is a big ass candle right now, dog. Look at this shit. Look at that 1 hour candle. We were anticipating it to be a bullish candle. Motherfucker, it was. It was a big ass one too, bro. Shit.
Don't even know how you feel. This is not conventional. This is not traditional. This is unprofessional. But these are my confessions, though.
Hey.
That's so fun. Coolest plugin I ever used. Arcade. It's used by the top artists and producers in the game.
First time in a long time. Urban,
First time in a long time. Hiding deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hiding deeply. Trust who? Watching my back even when I'm in the booth. Oh, trust who?
UJ gave opportunity. It opened. It went high into this order block. Oh my gosh, look at that fucking melt, bro.
I wanna make you feel the weight off your shoulders too. I'll take it. Just tell me it can't be that crazy. And even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it. I want you, I know you're not an angel. Not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. 'Cause I'm wavy. I'm saying things that I don't mean, but I do mean. And I don't want you to miss me. 'Cause there's no way that you're sorry. And you're crying. And you're saying things that I do believe, but I don't even want you to get in my mind. I'm supposed to be in your mind for the first time in a long time.
First time in a long time.
First time in a long time. Hiding deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hiding deeply. Yeah. Hey. Hiding
Trade didn't get triggered today.
inside.
Nah, it hasn't even set up for us personally, bro. It hasn't followed my what I want it to do. So we are actually just staying patient to see, because it might not come with this candle. It might come with the next candle. If we look right here, right, what we're looking at is this 1 hour candle. We were anticipating for this candle to be a bullish candle, which it is, very much is. It's crazy as fuck. But what we wanted was we wanted to see the hourly candle open and then go low. We had this fair value gap. It wicked into it, but that's not what we wanted, right? We wanted an actual retracement that went low, right? And so that's what we're still anticipating. We have this fib from this intermediate term low up to this high right here, and we want to see the retracement low into at least 50%, which also aligns with that fair value gap right there. And that's whenever we're gonna look for opportunities. So we're not in the trade yet, but we're still waiting for potential opportunity. How you doing, Rashad? You doing good, man? Little bit older. I wanna show love tonight. I wanna show love tonight. I ain't got many friends left to talk to. I'll tell you what though, this 1 hour candle is so bullish, bro. Use your love tonight. Use your love. Within this last 30 minutes right now, is if it don't retrace and then re-expand, bro, I don't think we're gonna get it in this candle. We'll probably have to wait for the next candle to open, and it may even turtle soup the previous 1 hour candle. We'll see, bro. Yeah, absolutely, Rashad. 3% for the week, bro. That is it. It's a good week, bro. It has been a really good week, dude. Rashad, I'm still in pain though, bro. Like, look, dude. So yesterday we took this 5-minute sell right here, right? We were anticipating sells, right? And what was it? It was 9 a.m. right here. So we had sold it, right? We sold this bitch, bro. And we put stop losses above here, right? We had sold it whenever it was retracing and whatnot, anticipating bearish candles and bearishness. And bro, we got stopped out. But look at that melt, bro. I almost offed myself yesterday. Dude. Oh my gosh. Look at that motherfucking melt, bro. Look at the pain your boy felt yesterday, bro. That's fucking pain, dude. No bullshit. That shit was tough, dude, to watch happen. I was like, bro, fuck this GU, bro. Oh, man. My boy that I told you we're trading GU together, I told him I sold that bitch, and he had his stop loss a little bit more steep. He didn't get stopped out. He caught that whole move, bro. I'm like, dude, I fucking hate you. I feel you, bro. Been there. Yeah, dog. That shit's painful, bro. That would have made my whole phase 1 right there. That would have beat phase 1. It's okay, though. It's alright. The long-term trend, in my opinion, on GU is bearish. I agree. I absolutely agree. I think right now, daily is in like a retracement phase itself, and so 1 hour is retracing, right? And so because it's retracing, I am a buyer of these 1 hour candles. I'm anticipating 1 hour bullish candles until we get like 1 hour market structure shift bearish, and then that's whenever I'll start looking for bearish 1 hour power threes. But we'll stay bullish right now because, of course, we're just like scalping intraday trading and whatnot. We're not looking for any. Honestly, we're just scalping is what the fuck we're doing, bro. We're scalping the shit out of the 1 minute. That's what we do. I love this song, bro. I fucking love this song, dude. something said.
I just died in your arms tonight.
Bro, I'm never able to look at only Forex pairs for so long. Now I have confirmed my trade ideas using futures. Helps me stay comfortable with wide stop loss and long-term swings. That's good, bro. If it works for you and it helps you like remain comfortable and emotionless, I think that's what matters. You know what I mean? Absolutely. Rashad, let me ask you, bro, why don't you try scalping? Like, cause you come and kick it for this hour, right? So like you have like a set time where you, I mean, I don't know what you're doing right now besides watching this. I don't know if you're at the charts or if you're at like work or if you're out and about or what you're doing, you know what I mean? But it seems like you can come to the charts or you can view a chart or something, you know what I mean? Again, I don't know your personal life, but like, have you ever tried this shit, bro? Like, I'm just curious because I know you've been sitting in your trade for 2 weeks. Next week's gonna be what, 3 weeks that you've been sitting in it? Swinging is tight, but I'm like, fuck, dude. I just feel like if you applied what you know to the lower time frame specifically and trade like within the first hour, hour and a half or something, I don't know. Have you tried it like to see if you would like have potential, you know, good outcomes? I'm not trying to trade your approach, your strategy, or not. I'm not trying to change how you trade, bro. I'm just curious, genuinely. The main one is swing, and I have a small account for scalp. Cool. Just curious, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. You shouldn't walk away.
Get real-world experience for the world of music and audio at Full Sail University. Recording, producing, composing, live events.
I don't
and
scalp on
more.
Fridays, so I came
Get
earlier. Makes
hands-on
sense.
At our Florida
Makes a lot more sense, man. I understand. So right now we have this 5-minute order block. It could hold, bro. It could hold, but this 1 hour is kind of so expanded right now. I don't really want to get in at this point because again, we buy below the open and we want to catch the whole distribution, right? This candle just kind of straight up, it barely opened and then made a little tiny wick and then just started distributing like a motherfucker, right off the rip. So I would hope for it to, you know, come down deeper. That's what I need, bro. If it doesn't follow that, it's just not a tradable opportunity right now. But the next candle opens in 20 minutes. The next 1 hour candle. And that's whenever we can look for a new power of 3 opportunity. Because again, we remain bullish on the 1 hour, looking for buy candles until we get a 1 hour market structure shift bearish. Then it'll change that idea. Yeah, bro, 17 days in UJ right now. That's how long it took to hit in 2.5%. Waiting for 1 to 4R is very testing. But I don't know. That's facts though, bro. Fuck, dude. That's a long time. But I don't know if you'd call my scalp a scalp because it can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 1 hour for the trade to play out. Yeah, it depends on how the trade is, I guess. Like, if it takes 10 minutes, I'd consider it a scalp. If it goes up to like an hour, I would consider that an intraday for sure. I think if it's within like 5 to 15 minutes, I think it's a scalp. If it's anything longer, I feel like it's an intraday. That could be opinionated. What y'all think? And then if it takes longer than a day, it becomes a swing. It's a swing automatically. That shit hits, bro. Fuck yeah. I could have been a rock star, bro. I just don't know how to play the guitar, but if you would have gave me an air guitar, bro, I'd have fucking been up there like... I'd have fucking got the crowd lit, bro. Do you play the guitar? Nope. I wish, bro. Those fucking strings hurt, dude. Don't fuck up your fucking fingers, dude. Guitar players are G's, bro. G's. G's. I'm telling you that shit, bro. Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? So, bro, look, this is where trading starts to contradict, right? Let's just pause this moment for a moment, because this is where it gets real conflicting, right? I'm looking for bullish candles until I get a 1 hour market structure shift bearish, right? Now, what we're tapped into is this 1 hour FEG, and because of that, whenever we're in a 1 hour PDA, we look for a 5-minute market structure shift bearish, right? And this is the 5-minute right here. Now, in an ideal world, that shit don't get closed below. But it's very possible right now because we're in a 1 hour PDA. And if this shit gets closed below, it's very possible that 1 hour can start making down close candles, right? We don't know. We have no fucking clue. We're taking a gamble somewhat. But it's with very analyzed approach, you know what I mean? And we're gonna maintain solid risk structure, right? So this is where it can get a little tricky, okay? This is where I start like, if this happens, this motherfucking shit can fuck me. You know what I mean? Like, this is just very possible at this point, right? Another thing that can happen is we had this big expansion for this 1 hour. It closes in literally 16 minutes. This 1 hour candle can close, and it can literally close down here at the fucking open, dude. And it would just be one giant ass wick to the upside, right? And at that point, with the 5-minute market structure shift, it's like, do we hold a bullish bias, or should we flip to bearish, anticipating that this is where some continuation to the downside on the 1 hour can happen, right? It's like all taking these things into consideration. You want to understand every possible outcome of your trade, so that way you can know where you potentially go wrong if you go wrong. You know what I mean? That being said, let's get back to that motherfucking Janskis. Not only would this be a 5-minute market structure shift, but this is a change in the state of delivery right here, you know? But what could happen is just one solid wick, right? A solid wick, and then it just continues up, right? We don't know, bro. We don't know. We trade what we see. We stick to what's going on now. The whole reason why we're not looking for sales is because 1 hour has not market structure shifted bearish. This is how you stay systematic and you don't allow yourself to get emotional. Don't allow your emotions to take play just because some shit is happening right now. Don't start selling, okay? Don't do that shit. Hardwired Metallica. Hardwired.
Book on dollar.com to get our lowest rates.
Why are you in my house? Oh.
Bro, use Brave browser. It still happens on YouTube though, bro. You'll still get ads on YouTube. Because I don't get ads on Google. I get ads on YouTube. I get ads on YouTube regardless of what platform I'm using, bro. Unless I have YouTube Premium, but I'm not gonna pay for that shit. I've never heard of Brave browser. There's a bunch of different browsers that try to compete for like Google Chrome and Internet Explorer and shit. There's like DuckDuckGo, I think, too. That's an interesting one. I won't? Alright, I'll try it out. Watch. That's different. I'll check it out. No ads on the hub too. Damn, fool. Cute. Need that. No, I'm just kidding. You're crazy, man. You crazy.
Are you sick of ads? Capital One Shopping has the answer to make your life easier.
Look, this 1 hour candle closes
But their
in
free ad
10
block
minutes.
extension, you can block
Look at what's
ads on
happening
sites
right
like
now.
YouTube.
Relative equal lows,
Plus,
engineering
Capital One Shopping
some
can save
sell
you some
side
money,
liquidity
too.
to be ran by the next
After
candles
ad
open
block, download the Capital One.
to then just expand higher. That's what I want to see, bro. Honestly, that's what I want to see. What up, Sonny? Sonny, how you doing? I haven't seen you at all recently. No trades on GU right now. We're looking for a buy, but we're waiting patiently for it. It's just been expanding since this 1 hour candle has opened. I anticipate these lows to be ran out turtle soup and then continue buys. And it can happen within the next 10 minutes, but I think it's likely going to happen in the next 1 hour candle that opens after these 10 minutes. We'll just wait and see, bro. We'll see. Until then, we just keep jamming out to some music. We just keep vibing, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Fine, G. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, that's good. This down close candle is also a bullish order block, you know what I mean? It's really close to disrespecting it. We'll have to see. ERL to IRL. So, the way that I'm looking at this, bro, is I'll break it down fully, right? So, if we look at this daily right here, you can see this up close candle as an order block as well as this fair value gap. Price tapped into it, started moving away, took out this external range liquidity. Now I believe that daily is moving to internal range liquidity, which is this big order block right here, right? So as we bring that back on the screen, it's this order block that price is tapped into. So because of that, 1 hour is currently in this retracement phase, but it's bullish. It's creating these up close buy candles until 1 hour market structure shifts bearish. I won't be looking for bear 1 hour candles, right? So that's my idea behind this right now is I'm trading the 1 hour power of 3. I want to anticipate 1 hour buy candles, right? And so we want to anticipate a 1 hour open, a low, tapping into like a 5-minute PDA, turtle souping or something, and that's what we're going to potentially see with this next candle, right? So this next 1 hour candle that opens, it's going to open, go low, and it's going to sweep out these lows, tap into our 50% discount area. Hopefully it goes even deeper into our 618 optimal trade entry, which also taps into this 5-minute fair value gap. That's whenever we'll look for 1 minute market maker buy models, and we're gonna take entry off of that. Yeah, I think it's a pretty awesome setup as well. I think it's a really good setup that we have right here. It's just a matter of staying patient and waiting for it to actually all, you know, come into fruition. So, and you can see like the way that price is just printing, it's engineering liquidity, you know, to be ran out, be swept. We'll just see what happens, bro. We'll see what happens. We just wait, we kick it. Welcome everybody to the stream. Your boy Hotshot does this every day, 9 a.m. EST to 10:30 a.m. EST. EST Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are new here, come join me every morning. We're doing this Monday through Friday. We've been doing this Monday through Friday for some time now. We're trading a 10K prop firm challenge. We're currently up 3%, which is an awesome, you know, way to end the week if we don't get a trade like Rashad was saying. So market runs purely on liquidity. It truly fucking does, bro. It really does. No lie. But yeah, it just swept out this low right here. And if it closes below there, that it disrespects the order block. And so this is where I was saying that there's a little bit of confliction here, right? We are in a 1 hour PD array as well, right? So because we're in this 1 hour fair value gap, what's the probability that price can flip right here? You know what I mean? It's probable, but we don't know. And at this point, whenever it's a 1 hour PDA, we look for a 5-minute market maker model, sell model, that market structure shifts bearish, all of that, right? Now keep in mind, market structure shifting point is right here. There's also another one right here. But see how we didn't technically close below them? We just wicked them, right? We're just wicking them right now. We didn't close below or anything. So right now, the 5-minute, to me, is still remaining bullish. The 5 minute doesn't turn bearish until the market structure shifts bearish. But we just kind of wait. We just stay patient. You know what I mean? We're just gonna wait and see. This 5 minute plays out. The next candle opens. I think it's gonna open low, and I think it's gonna hold the buys. I've never been to the U.S. Is New Mexico like they show on Breaking Bad? It's similar, bro. I literally live in Albuquerque, where the show was being filmed at. The house that Walter White lived in, it's not even that far from me. It's pretty crazy. They that house, the people actually sold that house because people were pranking them, just throwing pizzas on that fucker all the time. And so they got fed up, and they literally sold the house. And I think they sold it for a good amount too, because it's like historical in a way because of that show. It's very similar though, bro. You do have a lot of drugs out here, like meth, fucking fentanyl, all kinds of different shit is out here as far as drugs go. The crime activity in this city, fucking crazy, dude. Like this is one of the most dangerous cities in the US, right? It's insane. It's ranked up there top 10, bro. So it's insane, bro. New Mexico is kind of a trip, bro. Specifically Albuquerque is where we at. Breaking Bad is such a badass show too, dude. I was telling y'all, look, 1 hour can make this big ass wick to the upside, and that'll be ugly, bro. That won't be good. You know what I mean? The Boys versus Breaking Bad. What do you mean by The Boys versus, bro? What are you asking, my friend? Top 5 shows of all time, definitely. That fucking show is awesome, bro. I love Breaking Bad, dude. If you haven't seen Peaky Blinders, another one of my top 5. Oh, I fucking love Peaky Blinders. That shit is drugs to me. I'm so addicted to Peaky Blinders. I will rewatch that shit over and over and over and over. Another one that's tight, Power. Power, drugs. I rewatch that shit all the time too. To finish the first 2 seasons, but because it was so slow, but I was hooked after season 3. That's very true. It does start off pretty slow, but man, once you're in, it's good, bro. It's so good. What's your favorite pair to trade? I love USDJPY, bro. I traded it at the beginning of the week. I just didn't trade it right now because I think GU and USDJPY, they look like they correlate. They're just opposite, right? Which is pretty insane. So it's like choose one or the other. And right now I'm trading GU because the idea behind it is that we're right now London session runs into New York session. So London being GBP, New York being USD, I believe that this is going to have a lot more volatility versus the Tokyo session, JPY. That's just my theory behind it, right? I'm just theorizing. And that's the only reason why we're trading GBP USD right now, okay? Which is better in your opinion, The Boys or Breaking Bad? I've actually never seen The Boys, bro. Is The Boys similar? Because I will watch The Boys, dude. I will straight up binge watch the shit out of that. No joke. Look at no market structure shift because it didn't close below. It didn't displace below. This is the 1 hour open of this candle, right? So the next 1 hour candle will open up somewhere around here, right? Once this candle closes. All right, you guys, here comes our entry opportunity, right? We want to see this new candle open, go low, create this new wick of this 1 hour candle, okay? Yeah, we might have had this 1 hour market structure, this 5 minute market structure shift, but it didn't have much displacement. You know what I mean? It does have this candle right here, but we want to see it get disrespected. Let's just stick to the buy idea and let's look for buys, okay? XAU USD is also pretty good. It's pretty freaking good. I like gold. I don't have a big enough account personally to trade it, in my opinion. All right, so we just tapped into that right there, right? So what we're looking for is we want to see a 1 minute market maker buy model. We want to enter on the break of the market structure shift that will likely confirm the long-term low, okay? And we will place stop losses below the long-term low, and we're going to try to get like a 1 to 3 or something out of it, okay? You'll be hooked in first episode itself. I'm gonna have to check it out, bro. I want to watch The Boys. Is it new? No, 2019. Does it have anyone that I know? Oh wow, it has this full, huh? I have to check it out, bro. I'll check that shit out for real. For real on the gang. Now, what you can do right now, right, is you can actually, as I turn this off, you can actually take a buy entry off of the 5 minute, okay? This is a conservative entry right here. If you were to take a buy off of that 0.5% fib level and you put your stops down here, it's a really big stop loss, right? And for a 1 to 1.5 R, it's kind of a distance. And that's why we're going to the 1 minute and we're looking for the market maker model, because once we get the long-term low, we'll be able to put stops a lot smaller and it's going to offer a way bigger risk to reward ratio. And that's what we're going to be looking for, okay? The market structure shifting point is right here and the change in the state of delivery is right here. So we'll see what happens right now. We're going to prepare for it right now, okay? Just get ready, because this candle could potentially be it. 4 pips, 4 pip stop, GBP USD with the 4 pip stop. It's going to be a 2.5 risk. 2.5. Did it close? It did. We're going to take that buy. Confirm. We just bought GBP USD right now. And the reason why we bought, I mean, we broke it down. We explained why we bought, right? Homelander is as iconic as Wall 2. It's as iconic. Homelander is interesting too. I've heard about Homelander. I've heard about that one for sure. See what happens, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see what happens, y'all. See now what right here we have this bearish order block, right? I want to see this bearish order block get closed above on this 5 minute. I want to see it get disrespected. If it holds it, it could send to our stop loss. That won't be good. But right now, the reason why we took this entry is because we had the change in the state of delivery, the market structure shift bullish, long-term low was created, and so we put stops below the long-term low. We don't know if this shit's going to hold. We just trade what happens, you know what I mean? We just trade what the charts prints. This is our model. This is our strategy, bro. We enter off of this break, off of the closure, because it's very possible that price can just take the fuck off and not even give us a retracement, right? And HC was talking earlier, like we could dollar cost average. I think dollar cost averaging is really cool, but I would not want to see it come into my stop area right here at all. We'll just have to see, bro. That bearish order block needs to get disrespected like a motherfucker right now. I'm telling you, Sonny. Let's see it, bro. Live emotions right now. You know, we have 1% at risk right now. This is our phase 1 of our 10K challenge. I try to remain emotionless, cool, calm, collected. If I put risk on the table, price is either going to run out my stop loss or my take profit. And regardless of what happens, I believe I am sticking to my model very strictly. This is like very strict how I stuck to this. I did not FOMO in. I waited very patiently and I anticipated exactly what would happen. I told y'all exactly what would happen before I entered this trade, right? And it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. So that's why I'm over here jumping into something like this. And that's why I'm so confident. Overconfidence is a killer though. You know what I mean? You don't want to be overconfident. I feel like the way overconfidence can affect your trading is if you're over risking. If you risk more than you allow yourself to risk, that's whenever overconfidence is fucking with you, right? If I would have risked 2% instead of the 1% right now, overconfidence would have probably been fucking with me, okay? Also, if I wouldn't have risked 1%, I feel like fear would have probably been playing a part in my trade, right? Why would I be fearful of the fact that price can potentially reverse? But we don't think about those things. We just stick to the model, the approach, and we trade it based off of what it is. Again, we're in buys because 1 hour is in this retracement buy phase, creating up close candles. We do not look for sells until 1 hour market structure shifts bearish and starts printing down close candles. Because again, we're trading the 1 hour power of 3 model right here. All right, let's put on some music, huh? Let's just put back on the music, dog. Let's put on IB. Whenever I'm in a trade, I need to listen to this song, bro. I love this song. This song is my jam, dog. I be in the whip and I be bumping this shit. I'm like, this song is my jam, dog. Yeah. Look at that candle. Oh my god, let's fucking go, bro. Man, dog. Don't fucking play with your boy Hotshot. All about my money, baby. I get money, baby. Yeah, my chopper hold 100, my combo 200, baby. I be chasing coins like Sonic, baby. I be running, baby. Someone told me today that impatience just means you don't trust the process. Hit me hard because all my mistakes in the beginning of trading was because of impatience. Trading is not get rich quick scheme. It's not, bro. It truly is not. That's very factual. It's very, very factual. W's in the chat. Nah, no cap. W's in the chat for real, dog. We up nasty right now, bro. Just hit one not too long ago. We're hitting a lick right now, bro. Look at that shit. Yeah, let's fucking go. Looking nice. We look good, bro. Break even, maybe? All right, bro. Sonny, I'm about to put you on, my friend. This is why I will never ever go break even, okay? Let me just bring up this window really quick so I can show you why we will never ever go break even, okay? Let me try to bring this up real quick. I want to show you exactly why we will never ever go break even.
God fucking damn it, bro.
I will never go to break even for these reasons right here. Let me see if it downloaded. Watch. I think this video right here is a real true, like,
God fuck.
I'm going to show you right now. I just pulled it up. Let me bring up this video right here. So look at this video, bro. This is exactly why your boy Hotshot will never ever.
I literally could have made 250 fucking racks today. Wow, I'm actually going to get emotional, bro. I literally should have made 250 fucking racks, bro, but no, I decided to move stops to break even. No, I just wanted to move stops to break even and protect capital because I just wanted to save my fucking ass, but no.
That's why we don't move to break even, bro. Don't worry about that shit, bro. Let your trade fucking move, dude. Just let it go. Let it do its thing, you know? Just let it do its thing, bro. Yep, exactly. And that's a good lesson, bro. That's exactly why you don't do that kind of shit. Never. Just let your trade run, bro. Like, just realize what's going on, right? We just disrespected this bearish order block. Beautiful. We fucking needed that. Now, what's happening is we have this bullish fair value gap that's being created, right? We want to see that get held. Once it gets held and it continues expanding, bro, we don't even have to use a set take profit. There's this guy, Neo Young, who trades. He says to use a static take profit. Static take profit is literally just allowing price to respect these bullish PDAs, and you just trail your stop losses below those. But since we're using a 1 minute market maker model, we're going to use the 5 minute PDAs to trail below, right? Hate it when that happens. Nah, for real. For real. Balanced price range. Absolutely. BPR right there, bro. Yeah, dog. It's brutal. Like, you don't want to fuck around and lose that, right? Because it could come all the way back to our entry and it could continue flying. Again, what I like to do, bro, is if I put risk on the table, I will allow my risk to run either to stop loss or to profit. I will not close my position. I won't allow emotions to allow me to move to break even. The only way I will start moving my stop loss is by trailing it below PDAs, right? It's the only way. FEG plus bullish order block plus BPR. Damn, beautiful setups right here, Sonny. Beautiful setups. And we do this all the time, bro. Sonny, look at how brutal this one was yesterday. Watch. We were looking for sells right here on GU, and we sold right here, and we put stops above this high. And we got stopped out. Took a 1% loss yesterday, and it just fucking melted, bro. Oh, look at that fucking melt after, dude. It was pain. It was true pain, dude. I was in tears. No, I wasn't in tears. I was actually laughing. I was flipping GU off. I was like, fucking bitch. Oh! That shit's pain, bro. It's okay though. I gotta replay my song now. Glizot. Glizot. Whoa. Only by a few pips, bro. Only. Won't that mean you have to stare at the charts longer? Because price can go anywhere, and if it comes down hard, which it can after hitting 1 to 3, just an example, you'll feel bad and involved emotions next. It's very possible, Rashab. It is very possible. You're not wrong, bro. But this is the thing. Whenever you limit yourself to like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, because this is what I do as well. I look for a strict 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 R, right? But as I'm watching this dude Neo Young, bro, Neo Young, dude, he's also a swing trader, and he makes fucking millions, bro. Like, he had $1 million month in January, right? He trades large accounts, and he's constantly posting psychology, right? If you guys don't follow him, check him out, Neo Young, okay? And he pretty much trades similar to what we do, except he doesn't use smart money concepts. He more so uses like retail patterns and things like that, but the psychology is where it's at. He talks about using a static take profit because there's times where your take profit can just continue running, bro. It can just continue for like 1 to 5 R, 1 to 10 R. Like, he's had situations where that has happened, right? And it's very possible, you're right, Rashad, that if you use that static TP, it can just like melt and come against you, do things like that, right? Very possible. But I don't think you would necessarily be staring at the charts longer because we're going to be trailing it from 5-minute PDAs, right? So like example, we have this 5-minute PDA, and it's right now it's taken about from this candle 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next candles and so on. It'll be about 4, 5, 6 candles before that 5-minute PDA holds, right? And that's about like 30 minutes. So I mean, like every 30 minutes, you could just peep on your chart, see if a PDA has held or something. But if you're swing trading, it's different. You know what I mean? Every 4 hours or every hour or every day, you can check to see. You know what I mean? If PDA is held, it just depends on your approach, your strategy, your model, and things like that. So. I know that was a little yapping session right there. Holy fuck. I just closed my mouth and I was like, damn, my shit was dry. My mouth was dry as shit after that yapping session, bro. Yeah, damn. Right now, we're tapped into that bullish fair value gap. We're tapped into that mitigation block because this was once an order block. It's now a mitigation block. We want to see it hold, right? We also have this IFVG right here that price is tapped into. You know, there's multiple PDAs right here that price can hold and respect, okay? Bro, I scalped with the fixed 1 to 2.5 and I made 6% this week in 4 days, 35% win rate. That's solid, bro, because all you really need is like that 2.5, you know what I mean? That extra bit, bro. You'll be solid, dude. That's exactly where it's at. That's nasty. How much time it took to perfect your setup, bro? Honestly, Sonny, too long, bro. Too long, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Sonny, I don't make no money off of trading yet, bro. I'm still trying to make it. You're literally a witness to my trading journey. I'm still trying to perfect my craft, dude. It took me a while to understand exactly what I was looking for, exactly how these charts move, but as I continue to approach these charts every day, as I continue to live stream and showcase my true emotions, I'm learning so much about myself. I'm learning so much about how these markets move, about what I should do in certain situations. I feel like it all just comes with exposure, and I haven't exposed myself to this shit as much as I should. I feel like that prevents your trading progress. If you don't expose yourself to live trading, but with real money, demo trading, I hate that shit. I'm against that shit. I think every beginner trader should never ever touch demo trading, paper money. Don't you ever fucking do that. That's my personal advice and opinion. And the reason why is strictly because you're never practicing true emotions. True psychology is never being practiced whenever you're using fake money. Even if you put in fucking $50 or $100 as a beginner, bro, that's real money you're risking. And that shit hurts when you lose, dude. And it helps build. It helps build you and your psychology, bro. So you kind of just have to stick to that, you know what I mean? But it's taken me a while, bro. I've had this channel for years now. And like, I've just been grinding, bro. I've been grinding. I'm actually going to start vlogging on a separate channel, you guys. I might even start live streaming on a separate channel. Your boy Hotshot might even abandon this channel soon, but I'll let you guys know. We might. Not, bro. We probably won't. This channel is so many good memories, honestly. But I want to start a fresh-ass channel because I do feel like this channel, I kind of let it die because I've let myself get discouraged many times. I've fucked myself many times. There was a point in time where we had 150 viewers in this live stream 2 years ago, bro. 2 years ago, we had 150 viewers in this live stream on this channel. I let that slip away. And the reason why is because I got discouraged. I had so many people watching me, bro, and I just kept losing. Like, it felt like so much pressure. And at that point, my psychology was getting fucked. And then I just kept losing. I'm like, bro, I don't even win, dude. Why do you guys watch me? It doesn't make any sense. I don't feel like I provide any value to you guys. It didn't make sense for me to continue to live stream then, and I let it all go. And I swear to you, bro, I would have probably been a way different place if I would have continued it up. You know what I mean? If I would have just blew that account, bought another one just like we did here, I'd have probably been in a way different place. But it's nice, bro. It's nice just seeing this grind and journey. We're like getting so good, bro. It's nice. Yes, I need time too. One day maybe I will get my own setup too. You will, Sonny. Bro, Sonny, I'm telling you, you're the homie now. Come hang out with me in these mornings, bro. And I'm gonna put you on. Like, no bullshit. I want all of my homies to come up with me, dude. Like, I'm not it's not that I know more than you. You probably know more than me. I believe that Rashad probably knows more than me, very likely, bro. Like, it's not even that. It's that we're grinding together at this point. Like, y'all are a part of my journey, and I'm a part of your journey now too. Like, I've been engaged with Rashad. I've been, like, what is it called? I've been invested in his setup too. I've known about his UJ setup for over a week now. Like, and we're just staying on top of that, bro. Like, let me know where you're at in your trading and shit. I want to know, bro. I want to, like, fucking grow with you guys. Big man making big money moves. That's the fucking goal. Yup, HC is since the beginning, bro. HC is like real OG, bro. I fuck with HC so much. And I'm telling y'all the homies, whenever we make it and we have this money that we can just print, bro, we're kicking it all the fucking time. I don't give a fuck. We're hanging out. It is what it is, bro. Straight up. Those were the days. 1 minute EU OTE scalps. You remember that, Rashad? Rashad's an OG too, bro. We used to do that shit, dude. Like 1 minute OTEs, all that shit, bro. We were there, dog. It's crazy to see how far we have come, bro. Like, look at this setup right now. We're fucking up like 3% right now, bro. I don't want to get greedy, dog. Dude. You guys, I think this is a good way to end the week. I know I talked about using a static take profit, but a 3% gain to end the week, bro. We're up 6% on our account right now. I think that's a beautiful way to end the week. I don't want to allow greed to affect my trading whatsoever. But what we're going to do, because I don't use a static take profit regularly, we're going to go, holy fuck. Oh, that's painful, bro. It's okay, right? We're just going to like live price read. This is live tape reading now. We're just going to see how many PDAs hold and where we could have drug stops, right? If we would have stayed in the trade, I would have drug stops below this low right here. Okay. We closed out 3%. That was a beautiful trade. Good shit. We are up 6% on the challenge right now, bro. 6% on the challenge right now, bro. We're fucking doing phenomenal, bro. I gotta send a picture to my woman, bro. I'm about to send her a video, dog. 6% in a week is fucking amazing, bro. We're fucking killing it right now, dog. Oh my gosh, you are defo on higher power level, bro. Like, this is just different. Like, bro, the way we think, the way we approach, like, it's different now, bro. Like, we're just different, bro. I'm telling you, your boy about to be on a different level. W, absolute banger. 6% is fucking sick, bro. I'm so hyped. And we're doing this shit live in front of you guys every morning, you guys. Like, bro, your favorite fucking gurus don't even live trade. And they'll give you excuse as to why they don't, bro. I don't want you guys copying my trades and all this. Who gives a fuck, bro? Who gives a fuck? Copy my trades, bro. Like, this is not financial advice, but dog, if you're really that dude, oh my gosh, bro. Fuck me, bro. Oh my god, dog. I've been seeing the improvement over the years, dog. I appreciate you, XRP. I have been getting better, bro. I have been, dog. Fuck, bro. I just want to cry right now, dog. Oh my god, bro. This shit is so much fucking stress, dog. I just want to make it so fucking badly, bro. Oh my god, this week was so fucking awesome, dude. Oh my god, bro. Fuck. Look at that fucking trade, dog. That fucker is just fucking flying, dog. Oh my god, bro. Fuck. Oh man, bro. I just feel my time is coming, dog. I know it's around the corner, bro. This has been like 6 years, dog. This shit is so fucking awesome, bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh fuck. Oh my god, bro. Oh, I am so fucking happy right now. This is such a fucking dub, bro. Look at that shit. No, it's fucking flying, bro. Oh my god, dog. I got so much love for you guys, bro. Like, it's different having you guys a part of my journey, bro. Like, this shit is so fucking awesome, bro. Oh my god, dude. I'm so fucking hyped, bro. This is just the start, dog. This is just the start. Because they earn from courses and affiliates. That's one thing about me, dog. I don't ever want to sell out, bro. I don't ever want to sell no fucking courses. I don't want to sell signals. I don't want to do affiliates. I don't want to do shit but trade, bro. I just want to get rich off of trading, dog. Fuck, dude. I'm so happy, dude. Phase 1 is almost done, bro. We're right fucking there, dog. Oh my god, dude. It's right fucking there, bro. Oh. Man, dog. I'm so fucking happy right now, bro. I'm not trying to let my emotions get the best of me, dude. It's just realistically just seeing how far we truly have came, you know what I mean? Like, look at these fucking trades we've been catching, bro. Look at how fucking awesome our analysis, even the psychology while we're in the trade, before the trade. Like, just thinking about all of that, bro. Like, I know I'm getting there, bro. I just know it's right around the corner, bro. I just feel it. I feel it. It's right there, dog. It really is, bro. I love it. Keep going. The sky's the limit for you. Thank you, XRP. You have to cry for this shit, bro. More power to you, homie. Keep at it, and you'll be in the Lambo in Dubai. I know it, dog. You can and will do it. Mark my words, homie. I appreciate you guys, bro. Look at that shit, dog. Oh my god. We would have passed our phase 1 if we would have used a static take profit, bro. God, I'm gonna use a static take profit from now on. Oh, it's okay. I don't mind that shit, bro. Like, I know that this is all, a process, and there's more trades that are gonna come next week, bro. Next week, we'll see what happens, bro. But I'm hopeful that I'm about to pass phase 1 next week, bro. God, this was so sick, dude. Just keep on grinding. We're gonna keep on grinding, you guys. Holy fuck, man. Ah, woo. I'm sorry for fucking crying in front of you guys. I don't mean to cry, bro. I don't normally cry. But man, whenever it comes to trading, dude, I'm so passionate about it, bro. And like just everything that I've been through with this shit, bro. It's just all starting to come full circle, bro. It really is, bro. It's just so beautiful to see, dog. Oh my gosh. So proud of myself right now. Ah. Woo. All right, you guys. I think we're gonna end this live stream here, bro. I gotta get ready for work, man. Oh my goodness gracious. This was a great fucking way to end the week, bro. We are up 6% on the account. Next week is a new week, you guys. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this shit, bro. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for your kind words. Yup, bro. Don't let the winners get to your head. Absolutely. Absolutely not. They are unpredictable. Fuck. Next week we could have a really bad losing week. We don't know, bro. We'll just have to stick to it. We'll just see what happens. But but in this line of work, you have to keep calm all the time. Will do, bro. I will. I appreciate that, Rashad. Thank you for keeping me in check, bro. Because you're right. I need to fucking remain emotionless, bro. I did allow my emotion to get the best of me right there, bro. I'll remain emotionless. Drop a vid this weekend, bro. I'll do that for you, XRP. I'll do that for you, bro. Trust your analysis and just keep at it. I will, bro. Bye, G. Bye, Sonny. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you guys on Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys for coming. Later. Rashav HC XRP